guys, I'm Nalini Tranquim. Just quickly, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any golden nuggets in the future. Today's topic is on identity. Do you know who you are? Well, by the end of this session, you will walk away with my 4 critical questions that you need to answer for yourself in order for you to really be able to start discovering who you are. I believe that until you fully grab hold of you as a person and fall in love with you, quirks and all, we risk not fully realizing our potential. Bold statement? Yeah, maybe so. But here's the thing. If you don't know who you are, you will never fully know what only you are capable of being as a person and then bringing to the table for others. You'll just continue to go down the comparison route, okay? Saturated in feelings of insignificance, insecurities, low self-esteem. Now, we don't want that. Hey, there's a new movie on Netflix, actually. It's called Rebecca. Now, it's my kind of movie as it's set in the early 60s on this old English estate. It's absolutely stunning. Although I must add, it does go a little bit random towards the end, so I'm not entirely sure if this is a recommendation, to be honest. Anyway, without divulging too much in case you do want to watch it, I will say this, all right? There is this fine young widower. He's lost his first wife under suspicious circumstances. Now, he falls in love with this beautiful lady whilst on holiday in Monte Carlo. And after their whirlwind romance, returns home to his imposing estate, housekeeper and staff galore, where his new young bride now has to adjust to a whole new world and way of living in aristocratic society, if you will. However, she's living in the shadows of her new husband's dead wife. Now, this has a catastrophic impact on her identity. There's this one particular scene where a relative is referencing his first wife and very kindly and innocently, I don't think there was any malice, says to the new wife, she was just one of those bloody annoying people. She was irresistible to everybody. The men, the women, the children, the animals. Okay, and then she finishes her statement with, us mere mortals couldn't hope to compete. Okay, wow. I mean, the poor girl doesn't stand a chance now, right? Okay, why? Well, because she doesn't know who she is as a person. You're sitting here and you're thinking, yep, that statement would destroy me too. Well, how do we change that then? How do we discover who we truly are as individuals? Well, like I said at the start, we have to go on a journey of self-discovery. It's not going to happen overnight, but I have to say this, it's an exhilarating process. So I want to equip you with the tools to get you started. So are you ready? Well, sit down with a journal or a notepad and a pen, and I want you to write this down as your heading. Who am I? Here's where many of us go wrong. Because what we do is we look at ourselves and we make judgments on the superficial, the surface level. So for example, I'm unfit, I'm ugly, my nose is too big, my bum has outgrown my jeans, I've got too much hair in unwanted places and not enough where it actually matters. I have a mole on my chin. So this is all surface level. If we think that what we look like makes us who we are, then we are in trouble. We need to tap into the root level of who we are. So I'm going to ask you that question again. Who am I? Okay, here's my 4 critical questions that you need to answer for yourself in order for you to be able to really start the journey of discovering who you are. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, what do you love doing? What gets you going? What excites you? It could be your favorite subject at school. It could be your current job or maybe a dream job that's in your mind. It could be a hobby. that you just can't get enough of, and you wish that you could actually work in that field. What do you love doing? I need you to write that down. Okay, number 2, what do you hate? What gets you riled up? What angers you? What fuels your rocket? For me personally, it's seeing people settle for second best, not fully awake to their potential, surviving rather than thriving. That's what angers me. And that's actually what's fueled me to become a life coach. Number 3, what are you good at? This is what needs developing in you. All right. I recently posted a picture on Instagram and Facebook of my cat, Miss Marples. And in the post, I talk about Peter Rabbit and Daphne the dolphin. Now, you've got to check it out, all right, so that it can give you some context. Until you know what you are good at, you will always settle for what other people insist you should be doing, whether it's in alignment with what you love or not. Number 4, what have you been believing about yourself that needs to change? Because guaranteed, somewhere in here, it's linked to the comparing yourself to others and taking to heart what other people say about you. When you know who you are, you won't give a rat's what people say about you. I've had people unfollow me because of what I say, and that's okay. I know who I am, I know what I'm here for, and I know what I need to say. Will everyone like it? No, of course not. My hubby has this great line, actually. He says, some will, some won't, so what? Someone's waiting. I think that's absolutely brilliant to take heed of. The process of self-discovery takes a lifetime. We are continually growing and changing. There will be things about yourself that you will discover and will want to change, and that's okay. Commit to the process and you will see the real you will begin to awaken. You don't have to fear being put down by you any longer. Forget anyone else. Change starts with me. Love starts with me until I can learn to love myself, warts and all. Yeah? How can I go on and have space to love others? Thanks for joining me today. I hope this doesn't just touch a nerve, but actually stirs you into action. Sit down, hey? Go through those 4 questions for yourself. And hey, reach out to me if you want to talk. I'm here, okay? I love you and I am cheering you on. You've got this.